Most business owners chase rewards cards, but here's the surprising truth. Managing credit and cash flow matters even more than points. Today I'm reviewing the RBC Visa Credit Line for Small Business Credit Card and what you need to know before applying. This card is designed for small businesses that need flexible credit. Instead of a fixed limit, it provides a revolving line of credit, which can be used for inventory, supplies, or unexpected expenses. Application is straightforward. You submit your business and financial details, and RBC reviews your revenue, credit score, and business history. Most people get this wrong, assuming the card is just a credit card. In reality, it's a hybrid between a credit card and a line of credit, giving more flexibility in repayments. You won't believe what happens next. Payments can be scheduled, and your available credit automatically replenishes as you pay down the balance. This helps manage cash flow without juggling multiple accounts. The card earns rewards on purchases, but the main advantage is financial flexibility. You also get standard Visa benefits like purchase protection, extended warranty, and fraud liability coverage. Now the downsides. Interest rates apply if balances aren't paid on time. The card may require strong business financials for approval. Rewards are not as generous as traditional business credit cards. So who should use this card? Small business owners who want flexible borrowing and repayment, plus some rewards. It's ideal for managing seasonal cash flow or covering unexpected expenses. The surprising truth about the RBC Visa Credit Line is that it's less about rewards and more about giving businesses control over their finances. If this review helped you understand the card, subscribe for more honest small business and finance reviews before applying.